Okay, so we have this question here that says change the following from exponential expressions into their equivalent logarithmic form there. Okay, logarithmic forms there. So now, here, what we're going to be doing here is that, you know that if a function is written like this here in its exponential form, then its log form here is simply going to be x is equal to log y, the base a like this here. So this is the only relationship that we're going to be using for this question here. So when you look at this question that we have here, so the first one there, you notice that in this case here, this is your y, this is your x, and this is your a here. Meaning that if you were to change into this form here, we're simply going to have where there's x here, we said our x is 4 there, so we're going to say 4 is equal to log 1000 or 10,000 rather, like this, to the base 10 like this here, because our 10 here is the a that we have in this case here. Okay, so we do the same thing with the second one here. Of course, when you look at this here, your negative 3 is your x, the 10 here is a, and 0.001 is y here. Meaning that if we change from its exponential form, which is this form, to the log form, which is this form here, this here simply going to be negative 3 here is equal to log 0.001 to the base 10 like this here. We do the same thing with this one here. We compare it with, so we're just going to be comparing with what we have here, and then we write the expression that we need there. So meaning that here, this is our x, this is our a, and everything here is our y. So therefore here, we're simply going to have y here is equal to log x plus 1 to the base 10 like this. Then let's go to this one here. We do the same thing. So now, for d here, so let me just erase what we have here, then I work out d. Okay, so for d here, we have 2 to the power 2x equal to, so that is d there. So 2 to the power 2x equal to y minus 2 here. So when you look at this here, this can be written as, remember, if you have, let's say, a to the power m, and you have n outside here, this is simply equal to a to the power mn like this here, meaning that this here can be written as 2 to the power 2 to the power x outside here. So we call this the power of a power root here, equal to y minus 2 like this here. So then 2 to the power 2 will simply give us 4 here. So meaning that there, we're going to have 4 to the power x is equal to y minus 2 like this here. If that is, if this is the case here, then x here will be equal to log y minus 2 to the base 4 like this. Okay, then let me just work out this last one as well here. Okay, so for e here, we have that 2 the power y is equal to x minus 1 here. So we make y the subject here. So this will just simply be y here is equal to log x minus 1. So x minus 1 here to the base 2 like this.